What's up guys, it's Chris from Driven 60 VW. Right here we have a 2004 Volkswagen Beetle with only 67 miles on it. That's right, 67 miles. So we're gonna give you a walk around of this. We're over here at Doug's Bugs and Bunnies, Mesa, Arizona. They're one of the top VW repair shops here in Arizona. Right across the street we've got Honey Bunny's Cafe right here. They're actually a brand new coffee shop that's VW inspired with a bunch of other things. So let's check out this 2004 Volkswagen Beetle with only 67 miles on it. That's right, 67 miles. So check this out. So obviously it's a 2004. It came from Mexico. The guy who owns it, I don't know too much on it, but it was here to get some maintenance work on it. So while I was down here, I wanted to walk through and show you some differences on this compared to a normal Volkswagen. It does have an alarm. Check that out. That's an actual alarm system. You put a key right here, it triggers the actual system to not have it be stolen. There goes the light rail. So this is a 2004 with only 67 miles. If you've ever been any new Volkswagen, that new Volkswagen smell, that's still in here. It almost smells like crayon. So check that out. 67 original miles. The seats are still even new. There's a lot of things on this that are modern compared to our old cars, but majority of it is all the exact same. So first thing you notice when you look at it obviously is the shape. Everything is exactly the same on it than a normal Volkswagen is. You got the bigger tail lights, bigger bumper. This one doesn't have air conditioning, but motor pretty much looks just the same as this was built in 2004. A lot of the same things are similar. It's got a little more modern upgrades to it than a lot of the old school ones, but pretty cool that this is 67 miles only. If you notice, it's got one exhaust pipe, typical white wall. I don't know if these are factory. It must have came like this being a factory build, and it doesn't look like they've changed anything to it. But again, this is a 2004 Volkswagen Beetle, unrestored gas cap. Part of this is I want to show you some of the inside stuff on this. So obviously you look at the seat, you've got, these are just like modern Volkswagen seats. Everything in here smells brand new. Even to check the stereo, everything, it's got modern things. This is paint matched. Let's see if we can get that in there. Ultima Edition. Open the glove box up, just like our old school ones. All the stuff on here. They didn't even have a manual with the bug motor or the bug car on it, so they had to make something similar to it. But a little switch right here, I don't know what that goes to. It's probably the gas tank or the hood. The hood, I can hear it. So hood's latched. Comes with a fire extinguisher, so that way if anything ever happens. But I'll start it up here in a second. But when I moved it, it was completely amazing on the modernness of it. Got that badge, original badge on there. Got the push button. So once you unlock it, then you have the push button on there to open that up. But look at, this is how they did it in 2004. There's all your modern electronics, fuses. It's a lot different than the old school stuff, but pretty cool to see that. You don't see these in this type of condition ever. Unrestored. This is a 2000, probably said it 25 times, but 2004. I don't know what this is right here. It's even got the Audi and VW logo on there. Probably something to do with the fuel tank. Modern technology, modern things that changed. Obviously you've got two side mirrors on there. Mine is a 1960, so I've only got one of them on it, but for this car that looks so similar to be no miles is just quite amazing. So let's get in and start it, and we'll take it up the street for a little cruise, and I'll show you some things on it. So you got the new key, real stiff because it's brand new, obviously, so make sure I'm not in gear. I do that no matter what. So starts right up. It's so quiet. I can't even tell you how quiet this thing is. The headliner, how crisp all that headliner is. I wonder what the stereo would sound like. So let's turn it on. Just go to our station that I know. Right, 93.3, some classic rock, I think is what it was. I don't even know if that's still an FM stereo station, to be honest. I haven't listened to FM in so long. All right, it could be better. I'm sure there's nothing mess with it, but we'll turn that off. So first thing I notice with this thing is the clutch is just like, you don't even have to barely touch it. It's like butter. For a brand new car, just to barely have to touch it, only having 67 miles is just, it's wild. So we're gonna take it up the road, just do a quick little drive on it and bring it back here. So let's do that. We got modern seatbelts. Let's put our modern seatbelts on. So stiff, I can't even do it. This is the first time I've been in a Volkswagen Beetle with a shoulder mount seatbelt. That's just wild. Let's get it. So, emergency brakes off. Got in first. I noticed the steering feels super smooth. I'm not going to talk right now, so that way you can hear the motor and anything else in it. But we'll just go up the road, turn around, and come back. Oh, I think he said something about that. It wants to die out, and that's why it's here. They're getting new fuel injectors in it. We'll just stay back here. Go over speed bump, and that's all she got, because they're working on it. So we'll put it back. Maybe we'll do another cruise another time, but that's what you get when you have a 2004 Volkswagen Beetle with 67 miles. Obviously, that's why it's here at Doug's Bugs, because they're trying to address that issue, but I wanted to make sure I captured what's going on with it. So, pretty rad. Until next time, it's Driven 60VW, Doug's Bugs and Bunnies. Give them a follow. Give me a follow. If you like vintage Volkswagens, you can see real cool stuff all like this. We're over here at Doug's Bugs. They got a bunch of stuff going on. Have a great day. All right, well, obviously that was a bust. They're still trying to get some stuff done on working the car out, so we'll go back another time and give it a drive and give you some more stuff on it, but you get the gist of it. 2004, 67 miles. How many times did I say that in this video? Pretty cool, but I don't know why I said it 15 times, but 2004 Volkswagen Beetle, 67 original miles. We'll come back another time, do another drive once I get everything figured out. Obviously, it's sitting a long time. There's issues with the fuel system, which is why it bogs down and does what it does. But we'll come back another time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, any of those things. We are a vintage Volkswagen content creator. We are a vintage Volkswagen family, and we love everything Volkswagen. So if you like this stuff, give it a comment, and please subscribe for more. We've got a big thing coming January 1st. Stay tuned for that video.